How can we convert any audio file to mp3 format?
You can use the PyDub library. PyDub is an audio processing library that makes it easy to work with audio files with a simple and easy-to-use interface. The main functions of PyDub library include loading, slicing, and merging audio files, converting file formats, adjusting the volume, and applying audio effects like fade in and fade out.
Can you please show us an example?
Sure. PyDub can convert audio file formats by using the .export method, which takes the output file path and format as arguments. For example, to convert WAV files to mp3, use the following code. To convert from the FLAC format to mp3, use the following code.
Example 2.
To specify a bitrate, just use the bitrate quark.
Conclusion.
You can use PyDub to convert audio files from one format to another. PyDub is a powerful and easy-to-use library for processing audio files. With its simple interface and many functions, it can be a great tool for anyone working with audio files.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, then please be sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to grow this channel. See you in the next video.